and economic policies in Indonesia. Indonesia is a country in Southeast Asia, the largest archipelago in the world, with more than 17,000 islands. Its capital is Jakarta and has over 270 million people. It is also known for its cultural diversity and growing economy. Indonesia is a founding member of the Association of Southeast Asian Nations, or ASEAN. Its foreign policy focuses on promoting peace, security, and cooperation with other Asian countries. It builds strong diplomatic ties and support peaceful solution to conflicts. Indonesia also works closely with the United Nations. In terms of economic policies, Indonesia encourages foreign investment, support free trade, and develop infrastructure and digital technology. Also, tourism, agriculture, and natural resources play a big role in its economy. Indonesia is active in Asian regionalism by leading ASEAN meetings, promoting trade and security, and working with other countries to solve regional problems like climate change and disaster. In conclusion, Indonesia plays a strong role in building unity and cooperation in Asia through its foreign and economic policies.